Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation that you see right there from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those and you need to find the relay for the left or right turn signal, guys, also for the trailer turn signals, stay with us. We'll explain which two relays you need to check. There are two separate relays. We'll talk where you can buy cheap relays from and why it's important to test relays and fuses. That way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we will demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here specifically, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it may be helpful as well. You guys have fuses for the turn signals, left, right turn signal fuses as well that you need to check. The video will be on our YouTube channel, Ford F-150, left turn signal fuse, right turn signal fuse location, check it out. We will need to open the fuse box that's under the hood, right above the radiator. You will see that fuse box. When we zoom in, it looks like that. You open the cover, guys, it's super easy. You just squeeze those things, open it, and you're going to see the fuses and the relays will look just like that. You will be on this side and that will be towards the windshield side. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays first. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you guys have only 3 different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find or really expensive if you're driving in the middle of nowhere or going through small towns. So we recommend to always keep some spares in your glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out. Now the relay for the left turn signal and trailer tow turn signal will be that one right here, guys. Okay, and for the right turn signal will be that relay right there. So these two relays will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.